Endometriosis is an often painful disorder in which tissue similar to the tissue that normally lines the inside of your uterus, the endometrium, grows outside your uterus. Endometriosis involves pelvic organs and tissues, ovaries, and can be found in caesarean section scars, laparoscopy scars on the bladder, on the bowel, on the intestines, colon, appendix, and rectum. Endometriosis may cause pain during periods, and fertility issues may develop which needs medical attention. Endometriosis affects approx 6 to 10% of women in their reproductive age. Symptoms of endometriosis: irritation, abdomen pain, painful periods, bleeding or spotting between periods, pain during intercourse, heavy bleeding during periods, not getting pregnant, prolonged lower and back pain, bowel problems, urinary problems, constipation, diarrhea or bloating, and fatigue. Symptoms vary from women to women, and women with endometriosis may not feel any symptom. Endometriosis is very difficult to diagnose. Sometimes these symptoms are considered normal for women, and sometimes these are considered ovarian disorders. Causes of endometriosis: irregular menstrual periods, problems with menstrual flow, embryonic cell growth, previous surgery, hormonal disorders, genetic, bad eating habits, immune system problems. What could be the complications if you have endometriosis? Fertility problems, depression or anxiety, blocked fallopian tubes, ovarian cancer, or another cancer associated with endometriosis. How endometriosis is diagnosed? Further test and diagnosis depend upon the symptoms you are having. To confirm the endometriosis, your doctor may perform the following test: pelvic examination, ultrasound scan, laparoscopy, or biopsy. Endometriosis stages: you may have minimal, mild, moderate, or severe endometriosis. Endometriosis is treated with medications, hormonal therapy, or via surgery. So when should you consult the doctor? If you feel any symptoms mentioned in this video, talk to your doctor. Your doctor will further perform an ultrasound scan to detect if you have endometriosis. Endometriosis requires medical treatment for management. Endometriosis can be treated with medications if diagnosed on time, and can be managed with surgical options if the symptoms are severe. If left untreated, it can cause serious complications.